On January 27, 2025, the financial world watched in astonishment as Nvidia, a titan of the tech industry, experienced a market crash of unprecedented proportions. The company, renowned for its powerful graphics processing units that fuel everything from gaming to artificial intelligence, saw its market value plummet by a staggering $560 billion in a single trading day. This monumental loss marked the largest single-day decline in market capitalization ever recorded in U.S. history, eclipsing previous records held by tech giants like Meta and Apple. The sheer magnitude of the drop sent shockwaves through Wall Street and beyond, leaving investors and analysts scrambling to comprehend the sudden turn of events. How could a company that had seemingly been riding the wave of technological innovation, a company synonymous with the future of computing, suffer such a catastrophic fall from grace? The answer, it turned out, lay in the emergence of a new player on the global AI stage, a Chinese upstart named DeepSeek. The events of that day would serve as a stark reminder of the rapid pace of change in the tech industry, where today's giants can quickly become tomorrow's cautionary tales. Nvidia's precipitous decline highlighted the intense competition in the AI space, as well as the geopolitical tensions simmering beneath the surface of global technology. As the dust settled on that tumultuous January day, the question on everyone's mind was clear. What did this seismic shift mean for Nvidia, for the future of AI, and for the global balance of technological power? At the heart of Nvidia's downfall was DeepSeek, a Chinese AI research lab that had been operating largely under the radar until recently. In December 2024, DeepSeek unleashed its first major salvo, a free open-source large language model that sent ripples through the AI community. This model, developed in a mere 2 months for a fraction of the cost of its competitors, showcased DeepSeek's technical prowess and its ambition to challenge the established order. DeepSeek's LLM, powered by Nvidia's own H800S chips, quickly gained traction, its user-friendly app climbing the charts of Apple's App Store and surpassing even the wildly popular ChatGPT in terms of downloads. This rapid ascent, achieved despite stringent U.S. chip export restrictions aimed at curbing China's AI ambitions, signaled a changing of the guard in the world of artificial intelligence. On January 20, 2025, DeepSeek delivered another blow, launching its R1 model, a direct competitor to OpenAI's formidable O1. The R1, lauded for its comparable performance and significantly lower development costs, further solidified DeepSeek's position as a force to be reckoned with. This string of successes, culminating in the launch of the R1, sent shockwaves through the industry, raising questions about Nvidia's long-term dominance and triggering a panic among investors who had bet heavily on the company's continued success. The reverberations of Nvidia's plunge were felt far beyond the company's headquarters in Santa Clara, California. The entire tech sector, already on edge amid concerns about a potential bubble, braced for impact as Nvidia's stock price plummeted. Other major players in the data center market, including Dell, Oracle, and Supermicro, saw their shares tumble by at least 8.7% each. Broadcom, a key supplier of networking chips, suffered an even steeper decline, its stock value plummeting by 17%, wiping out $200 billion in market capitalization. Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, another heavyweight in the tech world, also felt the heat, its shares falling by at least 5.8%. The ripple effect even reached Apple, albeit in a more positive light. The iPhone maker, known for its typically cautious approach to adopting new technologies, saw its stock surge by 4%, reaching $239 per share and adding $240 billion to its market cap over 2 days. This unexpected boost was attributed in part to Apple's perceived insulation from the turmoil engulfing the AI chip market. The S&P 500, a broad measure of the U.S. stock market, dipped by 1.5% on January 27, reflecting the widespread anxiety gripping investors. The tech-heavy Nasdaq, however, experienced a more substantial decline, plunging by over 3% as the reality of DeepSeek's challenge to Nvidia's dominance began to sink in. The events of that day served as a stark reminder of the interconnected nature of the tech industry, where the fortunes of one company can have far-reaching consequences for the entire sector. Nvidia's journey in the market has been nothing short of a roller coaster. From their groundbreaking advancements in graphics technology to their ambitious forays into artificial intelligence, the company's trajectory has seen its fair share of ups and downs. In recent times, Nvidia experienced a significant drop in market value. This decline has raised questions and concerns among investors and analysts alike, but it's important to remember that volatility is often a part of the tech industry's landscape. Despite the setbacks, Nvidia continues to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible. Their resilience and commitment to excellence remain unwavering. And who knows? The next big breakthrough could be just around the corner. So, while the journey has been volatile, it's also been a testament to Nvidia's enduring spirit and relentless pursuit of innovation. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, the emergence of artificial intelligence and machine learning has reshaped the boundaries of innovation. Companies like Nvidia have become pivotal players, driving advancements that redefine our interaction with technology. As these changes unfold, a new world order in tech is being established, where adaptability and foresight are more crucial than ever. The rise of artificial intelligence hasn't just transformed industries, it's also thrust tech giants into the heart of political debates. Governments worldwide are grappling with the implications of AI, from privacy concerns to job displacement. Nvidia, with its cutting-edge AI technologies, finds itself navigating a complex landscape of regulations and geopolitical tensions. The intersection of technology and politics has never been more pronounced. Despite recent setbacks, Nvidia has shown remarkable resilience. The company's strategic investments in AI and data centers have positioned it for a strong rebound. Analysts are optimistic about Nvidia's ability to recover and thrive in the competitive tech market. With a renewed focus on innovation and growth, Nvidia is poised to reclaim its stature as a market leader. The tech industry is a high-stakes game where fortunes can change overnight. For Nvidia, the stakes are higher than ever. The company's future hinges on its ability to stay ahead of the curve, innovate continuously, and navigate the complex web of market dynamics and political challenges. As the world watches, Nvidia's journey will be a testament to the relentless pursuit of excellence in the face of adversity.